Hello everyone, my name is Alif Mirbhar and I would like to welcome you all to Data with Alif channel where we will learn the data analysis as we have already passed through all the lectures. We are going to heading towards the data analysis. So today we are going to work with another data set which is real estate dashboard as you have already come through my post in YouTube or in Facebook. The data set we have got is the European Union data set, a real estate data set. So investors will look for the profitability as well as the comfort zone or the customers who will look for the information and they will easily get from here. So what we have in the data set, and we have property ID, listing data, property types, listing types, address, city, count, country, bedroom, bathroom, square meters, and the year built, sale price European euro, and monthly rent euro, price per square meter, and days on market, latitude, longitude, last sold price, then swim the facilities they are providing like a parking spot, gym, swimming pool, elevator, furnished status, furnishing status, and energy rating, floor number. So all those some of the factors are usable to our data set and some of the factors are not usable to our data set. So what we are going to do is we are going to make a dashboard like this so that we may understand and we may go through it. And so what we are going to do, we are going to start with the data set at first. Let me open the tab at the show the ribbon. First of all, we are going to the transformation. First, we need to clean the data set as we know. So we have already pressed the transform data set, so we will go directly to the Power Query. So we what we have to do is we have to do the cleaning. Let's begin with the cleaning section. It will take a bit time, and what we have in property ID and listing data, property type, listing type, address, city, and what do we need the address actually? Each actually does not shows in the map. So what we are going to do is we are going to select this column and we are going to remove it. Okay, so first one has been deleted. Okay, so what we should do is we have to rename it, and so address delete. Okay, so that we may remember it. And then what we are going to do is we are going to change the name of the table. Now here it has been written as table 1. If we do not change the name, probably this is going to match with the data set as we have made previously. So what we are going to do is RP. Okay, real estate property data, data. We are going to name it an EURP data. So real estate property data, we have named it, and what we are going to do is we are going to column profiling based on the entire data set, not with the 1000 data. Okay, So what we need is we have city over here, and we need it, and we have country over here. We also need it, and bedroom probably this does not hamper a lot, like bedroom and bathrooms, and there are a lot of different types of properties, and what types of properties are there, we just need to understand apartment, while you go to the real estate management, apartment is for the customers who actually stays in the apartments, they actually look for different kind of amenities, mixed use, mixed use does not carry any value whether there is a bedroom or bathroom available in the office areas, and they need a bathroom, they need some bathrooms, but they need open space as well, they may decorate themselves, and retail area actually need one warehouse and a staff toilet, this does not carry any value for that bedrooms, and townhouse and villa. Both those are the same categories and like apartment. People actually look for the townhouse and villas and with the bedroom and bathroom. It does not carry any value for the decision making of the stakeholders. And warehouse. Is also important, and this needs a open space, and because in warehouse they will gather all their production in one place. So what would they need to do is, they don't need to they what really impact for the warehouse is the square meters, and how much square meter does it carries, and the year built, and it also carries value, like the property that you are going to sell in the market, whether this is an near futures or this is this is like an older one or the newer one, this really impact in the decision making as well as the investment, and sales per price euro yeah, sales price, this is what we actually needed done, but monthly rent and price per square meter, monthly rent does not carry any value, and the sale price euro, and price per square meter, and then days on market, and it does not carry any value. So latitude and longitude, and what we are going to do is we are going to remove those two columns, and we don't need latitude and longitude, and we have deleted that. Last sold price in euro, there this matter a bit, but does not carry any value. So parking spot, it depends on the negotiation of the customers, and with the real estate agents and parking spots. This is the facility actually how many parking spots they have, and it does not carry any value. Those who have cars in their pocket, in their but those who have car, they will keep the garage or parking and area, but those who does not have one, they will not look for the parking slots as spots as well. So gym, it will carry the value for the customers as well as the real estate buyers, and swimming pool, elevator, those are the facilities and furnishing status, and this will also impact the money. Energy rating does not carry any value. and floor number does not carry any value if they have elevators or the other facilities. So what we are going to do is we are going to find out the listing date at first. And so what we have to do is we have to add a column, and then we just need to go to the date and make a year which will impact in listing, which we will rename as an listing year. Okay, listing year. Okay, and now what we are going to do is we are going to make some information, like we are going to change this data with the date, and then the property type, listing type, city, country, and there is another thing, and is the year built. And okay, so year built and listing year. We have a listing year and year built, and so we need to judge the property age while it was been invented, and like why it was been included in there. So make a custom column, and we just need to make a custom column at first. So we name it as property agent, property agent, and then we just need to make a function like listing year insert, and then we just need to deduct from the year built. And where is the year built? Okay, insert it and press OK, and then we have gotten the property age as well. So this is the information we have already gotten here, and then till 122 money means 122 years, that has. And the null value, this is quite possible to have a null value in the property age, because all the properties does not carry a lot of information. So sometimes real estate agents does not find the property owner as, and they put it null. So what we are going to do is we are going to make a age band as well. So conditional column, like we just need to make an at first the property like agent band, age band. Okay, so what is age band? So what we are going to do is we are going to find out the property age at first, and if this is less than 5, what we are going to do is we are going to name it like 0 to 5. 0 to 5 is the new properties. Okay, so next add another column which is less than or equal to 15, and it will carry 6 to 15, and which is an established. Okay, then what we are going to do is okay, let me check it at first. And we have done a lot of work in there. So new, then modern, then established, and older, vintage, and historic. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to make a conditional column again, and this is age band, age band run, and then we are going to name it like we have to select the property age equals to or less than 5 years. Okay, 0 to 5 is the new. Then we are going to put the property age equals to or less than is 15, and it will give us an 15 sorry 6 to 15 is the modern. Then the property agent, then select it and less than equals to 30. It will give us an 16 to 30 is the established. Then the property agent is equals to or greater than 50 is the 31 to 50, and it will say like older, and then the next one will be like listing years. Beg your pardon. I just need to take it to up, and then we need to select the age, and is less than 80 is the 51 to 80. We just need to write it like 51 to 80 is the older, and the last one 81 plus is the historic. Okay, historic. So those are the properties and age band and we have made and over here. What we have over here is see, there are some errors and which we need to remove from here. So press remove, and remove the make it clean, nice and tidy. So all those information and we have got done the like this is we are going to change into the historical name, and this is also make this not this is the whole number, sorry, replace the current, and then what we have is we have got all the information in a proper way. Okay, so what we can do extra, and we just need to find out more values like sold in the market or days on market, and we cannot specify that type of information any more. And so year sales price, and so those are the new columns we have made, like listing year, property age, and by age band. So what we have to do is we have to close and load to our new data, new sheet, and so that we may do it in a proper way. So what we have done, it will take a bit time, and so the among the 5,000 EU data, EU property data, we have got only 4,759 rows loaded. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to go through. I really don't like this type of unprofessional or so I'm going to change change the data set to blue, and what we are going to do is we have already all the information that we really needed done here. So we are going to the insert and the pivot table. We are going to press in a new worksheet beside the data set. So blank dashboard over here, and then we are going to name it KPIs. Okay. So then we need to name it something else and KPIs. Okay. So the information is on pivot table. This is on about the KPIs. And what we are going to do is we are going to find out on the list of properties. Okay, list of property ID. We are going to inform on insert in the value, and then we just need to name it and rename it. To total properties. Okay, properties, and then what we have to do is we have to make it yeah, nice, clean and tidy, and we just need to copy it and give it to another place, and give it to another place, and so that we may work to it. And now press over here in the properties, and then what we need to do next is the like square meters and total square meters, and we are going to find out and remove the square meters. So total SQM yeah, listed in there is, we just need to put a comma over here, and then we just reduce the value of this property. Okay, value of that, and so we are going to copy it again, and then make it make another one, and we just need to remove the property ID, so that we may name it again, and what we have next, and we have square meters and the sales price per price euro. What we have to do is we have to remove the sales price and the sum of sales price euro, and it gives us the total amount of the property value. So the property total value we can easily share. Okay, total value. Okay, total value, and we have gotten from here total value of the properties, and then what we need to do is we just need to select over here, put a comma, and then we just need to make it a bit smaller in amount, and then we just need to go to the number format, and then we just need to select over here, and then what we have to do is we have to select the B or then M. Okay, let me take an 0.00, so comma is the like M we are going to put over here, or what we have is uh, 0.00, and comma comma, and it will go to like K. Okay, K. Now what we are going to do is we are going to press over here, and then it gives us wrong information, wrong valuation. So what we have to do, the format cell and then the billions, and we are going to change the amount from here to the end. Okay, so the billions that we are going to have over here. Okay, now we just need to make it press OK over here. So the billions has been listed over here. Now what we have to do is we have to copy it again and paste it over here. So let's find out something else from here, like we have the total square meters and the total value of the properties, and we just need to find out the sales price per the sales price euro, monthly euro, no, just the price per square meter. We just need done and done we just need to make it an average so that it looks great and then what we have to do, we have to press the value and then the average we have to do, and we have to reduce the amount over here in this section, and then we just make it round figure, and then we just need to make an avg Python or SQM, so it looks good done, and I make it smaller in value. So let's copy the first one again, and this is the last one in last KPI we are going to find out. So what we have to do is we have to find out the age property age and we need to press the value field and make it average. Okay, so this is the avg pro age. Okay, so it gives us a lot of information, and we are ready to do the analysis of this property. And we just need to make it round figure, and then what we have to do is we have to select over here, drag till that place, and then make it write it on KPIs. So it looks great, and then we just need to make some changes in the pivot table. This is the total properties, and then this is the total SQM1, total SQM1, and then we just need to put the value, total value. Okay, so those are the KPIs that we are going to make changes on, like avg price per SQM1. So last one is the avg avg prop h. Okay, so property agent, we have already made it done, and now we need to change the another thing, EURP data set, and so we just need to make a pivot table as well. Now we need to make the pivot table at first, and we have got one, and then what we can do is well, we just need to find out the property type, and as well as the property ID. So total property that we are going to need done, and then we are going to change it done in a tabular form, so that it looks great, and we just don't need to change a lot of information. We just need to remove the grand total from here, and then we just need to drag it to the like total property by type. Okay, total property by type, and as we have already over here, so we just need to make it block, and then we just need to make it bigger. So what we have, again, we just need to put it, highlight it, and next what we have to do is we just go to there and insert another pivot table, and go to the existing the we just need to delete it, and because we don't want to make it in there, and we just need to make it go to the pivot table and existing worksheet in the analysis pattern, and we just need to select over here. We need to name it property analysis. Okay, so the property analysis we are going to do is on the listing type, and we are going to inform on and the listing type on how many listing types we have. We can easily analyze from here. So the what we can name on over here, we can name it on we just need to change it to the tabular form, and then we just need to remove the grand total, and then we just need to name it total property, total property, and total property, and here we just name it total property by listing type. Okay, by listing. Okay, so let's make it bold and make it bigger, so that it looks great, and then what we have to do is we have to go to another one, that we are going to select from the previous one, and we just need to make it copy from here, and then we just need to make it pasted done in here. Now what we can do with that, so the city or country we are going to select over here, and the property listed done how many properties or the selling price in there. And, what we can do is we cannot give it in a billion or million sense, that will give us a wrong analysis, so go to the property value and make it average, so the sales price, we are going to analyze, or we can select from here like price per square meter, that will give us the information, accurate information about that, and this will make we are going to make it an average. Okay, so let's reduce it by putting the comma separator, or we can leave it as is, and we have to make it avg dot avg avg price price per sqm. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to select the place highlight it and write it like country wise price per sqm. Okay, so the value we are going to make it bold, and we are going to make it perfect, and then next we need to select here and then make it highlighted again, and then we just need to make another one like take from here a bit and then paste it over here. So what we are going to do is we have to remove the information, and then we just need to get the city wise information. No, the city wise we will do in the slicer or segmentation. We have to make in a different way. So monthly rent per euro, monthly rent euro, and price per square meter, days on market, last sold price, gym, parking slots, and swimming pool, elevator, furnishing. Those are the facilities, and so let's make it property by age band done, and property by age band done. What we have to do is we have to list it like how many properties is listed by the age band done, and how many of those listed like how many days or how many are old, like we just need to find out from this list, and days on market, like last sold price, and whether this is expensive or not, and we are going to make it make this analysis as well. And so the last sold price, sorry, price per square meter, which one is expensive, and we can easily analyze from here. So we are just going to make the value into average, and average and count of properties and the total properties, and then price per square meter. And we can easily analyze the information of which is expensive and which is not expensive. Okay, less expensive one. So how many we have done? One, two, then three, four, and then we have some other information to generate like in the analysis part, what we have done. Okay, we have done the apartment price on price per square meter, and the price on we are going to make it in a different way. Okay, so the information we have got over here is the sold price, and we are going to make it in a different way, and the age band we are going to find out on like here we have got the average price per square meter, and as per the information we are going to select here, copy it, and let's take it to another place. And what we have to do is we have an property agent age band and the listing year and furnishing status. As per furnishing status, people usually decide on their property valuation. So as per property, which one what we are going to find out on is the price per square meter, and then we are going to make it average, so that it looks great. Okay, so the price per square meter and the furnished status and semi-furnished status and unfurnished status, all the information we will get from here, like whether the investment is beneficial for us or not. So average price per SQM. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to reduce it, and then we will go through all the information from here, and then we have one last information, that we have the property information, but the property valuation we don't have. Okay, so what we are going to do for another analysis, we just need to find out the information from here. We just need to put over here, and then we just need to remove the price per furnishing status, and then we just need to keep the price per property price per square meter. Okay, so what we have already here, and then the property listed over here, and so what we have, we can go to like days on the market, which property stays a long time, stays for a long time. We just need to put it average, and then we need to make it round figure. Okay, so in the round figure we can easily analyze the information on how many days it actually takes to for the sales and this will give us all the information, and then we are going to name it again. uh, we just need to make it in a different way. So let's remove this price per square meter. We just need to remove this. Okay, now we have to go through all the information, which one is old and which one is new, what we cannot decide by the properties, so what we have to do is we have to put the square meter price per square meter as well. So the information over here given is the show. Let's change it value field and average, make it better, looks better. So avg price per SQM, and the stakeholders will make decision easily by watching this. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to make it highlighted, and then make it okay, so property price uh, by age band. Okay, so we can make a decision as per given information. So what we have to do is we have to look for the furnishing status, and then we just need to make it bigger, and then uh, price per. Okay, so the furnishing status, beg your pardon. So furnishing status by price. Okay, so we can easily judge the property whether this will give us the information or not. Okay, so let's start with another pattern that is the information over here. We just need to make it an property comparison. Okay, so the property comparison we will make from here, and we just need to make it bigger, bolder and nice, so that we may get all the information. Let's go for the visualization pattern. As what we have to do is we have to find for the recommended chart, and we just need to make it a bar chart. Over here we just need to sort it out by the smallest to biggest. Okay, so now let's delete the okay, now let's remove the trend line and the excess information we will get. The legend we need to remove, we need to hide all the buttons over here, and we just need to remove it. And what we have to do more is format data level, and then we just need to make it 40 in gap, so that we may inform on all the info, we may get all the information, and the information is in at the end. We just need to make it more informed, and we are going to do what we are going to do is we are going to select over here, and the fill information solid fill with the like the text, and we have to make it white. Okay, so it looks great, and we just need to remove the total information, and then this will give total property by type. Okay, so we have got the information. We need to make it block, and then we put it over here, and then what we have is we have to select over here and insert the recommended chart, and then put a pie chart over here. So remove this, and we just need to remove the buttons, and remove all the buttons, and the property listing, and we will get from the information from here where is color, and then we just need to make it more nice, and then we just need to make it like 30. If we put 30, we just need to put the data set, the data levels, and then what we have to do is we have to go for the information that we have put over here. We have to show the percentage and show the legend line and value. Okay, so this is the callout value. We are going to make a data callout. Okay, so we have to select over here, and then take it to the inside. Okay, take it inside, and then take it outside. take the cells outside so that we may get the information in a proper way. So what we have done like over here is like take it over there, and we just need to rename it the total property by listing. Okay, so the property type property by listing we have done, and then we just need to make it make another one. So select over here and then go to insert pivot chart, insert a recommended information that we cannot get all the information from here. So what we have to do is we are going to make a tree map, and but the tree map is not working. So how would we do that? And we have to select from here the country, then here the average price per square meter, and then what we are going to do is we are going to trace it to the end, and then take it to the Portugal, then take it to the Spain. Okay, now let me take it to the down and make it smaller. Okay, so it will go to this is the information we can get from here. Now we need to highlight it by putting this color, and we just need to select over here and make the information nice than nicer. Okay, so let's delete from here, and then we have got all the information over here. And then beg a pardon, it was not the info that one and the tree map. We just don't need to make, and we just need to make a field map, and then we just remove one. We just need to remove from here the chart title we have got, and the information we have got, and over here make it burn nice, clean, and tidier. Okay, so this is the information that we are looking for, and then from here we need to change it like a country wise price per SQM. Okay, okay. So the information we have gotten, okay, is correct, and now what we need to do is we just need to find out the property price by age band. Then we just need to select over here, and then we are going to find out the information as per given, like the tree map we are going to make, but it will not work for us, so let's select in that age band, and then let's select the average price per SQM, and then we just need to make it perfect, and we just need to make it in a proper way. Take let's do it again. So the information we have collected from here, and we just need to put it down there. Okay, so we just need to make it sorted by A to Z. Okay, now on the sorted let's sort it bigger to smaller. Okay, so we have got it done, and we have got all the information that we are looking for, and now we just need to make it In a proper way, our tree mapper we are going to put over here, and then we just need to remove it, and then we just need to put the data levels as well. Okay, show the data levels, and then from here we what we have gotten is, let's find out, like, there is a number level, the values we are going to insert, and then we have got all the information regarding this. Okay, so the brand, as per age band, the newer ones expense is higher than the modern one, used one, then the established one, then the historic one is the lower price. Okay, so the chart title we are going to change over here is the property price by age band. Okay, so we have gotten the information, and then we have to find out the furnishing status as well. Blank, what is blank, and like some of the information they did not find out, and so they left it blank, and so we have to count it as well. And so, like, insert a data, and what we are going to do is we are going to find out the recommended chart, and we just need to put the recommended value over here, and then remove it, and reduce the size of the information, and then we are going to make a data level, and select over here, go to the numbering format and the percentage value, and the information is given over here. Now we need to hide the buttons, and we need to remove the price, like furnishing status, furnishing status by price. Okay, okay, so the information we have got, and then now the last one, property comparison we are going to take is the recommended chart and the combo information, like average days in the market, and we just need to make it secondary, and we just need to make it perfect. Okay, so hide the buttons, and that we have created done, and we just need to remove the grid lines, and we just need to remove it, and we just need to select over here, make it bigger, and we just need to make it perfect in a proper way, and this is the line. What we are going to do is we have to select over here, and the end arrow we have to give in here. Now we just need to select over here, we just need to change it, and this is the information. Now we just need to we can select over here, we can change the value to this color, so that it looks great, and we just need to press here, and then make a chart title. Okay, like property comparison. Okay, comparison, property value comparison. Okay, comparison. Okay, we have made everything perfect, I hope. And we just need to go to the place what we are going to select. We have got all the information, and then we just need to make it bigger, full screen, and we just need to remove it. So European Union dashboard done, information we have got, and then we what we have to do is we have to find out the property analysis as per given information. We have to select one after another, like copy it and take it to the dashboard. What we have is we have to select over here, we have to put it over here, and we are going to make it perfect. Okay, now let us do something, format, and no fill. Okay, no fill, and then we just need to put it over here. We just need to make it make the text option in wider, white in color, all the text option white in color, and then this is perfect. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to keep no border over here, right? Now we just need to go to, pardon, the property analysis, and we are going to select here, copy it, and then let's go to there. Okay, fine. Then let's move on to the next step. And there was a sound making around us, around my house. This is why I have to make something. I have to stop my lecture sometimes. So we just need to go to the no fill option, and we just need to make it like the text option, text function, we just need to make it wider. Then we just need to go to the border of the information, and here no, in the chart option no borderline. Okay, so now we just need to select the property type, like the furnishing status. We just need to copy it and then take it, drag it to there. Then let's make it much smaller, the to fit it. Okay, so this is how you have to work on the on this data set, one after another, and then you just need to feed it in a proper way. Okay, so no fill, and in the border no border. So furnishing and text, you have to make it white. Then go to the next portion. Yes, this is how you have to make the dashboard done like this. Okay, so we have got all the information over here, so make it 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now we just need to, what people actually wants to know, like the age band done wise information, so which one is better for them, and 16 to 30, like 6 to 15, and it seems a bit lesser. Okay, so in Madrid, we are going to select, there is only one information in the city, so we don't need to remove it, and we need the swimming pool, we need the elevator, yes, and then we need the gym as well. So if we select all the information, we cannot get it. Okay, so 16 to 30, this will give us all the information. So no gyms in there, yes gyms and yes to elevator, yes to swimming pool. Then there are only three or four information we can get from here. Now we just need to select the Lisbon and it will give us this information. So this is how you can make the data set perfect, and we are going to select it over here. So thank you. If you have any question, you can leave it down the comment section below, and I'll get back to you. And thank you. Have a nice day. If you have any question again.